Napaka-challenging naman talaga magpakain ng gulay o mag-introduce ng bagong food sa mga bata. But don't worry, here are 5 fun and practical tips on how to encourage them to try new taste. Tip number 1. Make it fun and creative. Turn mealtime into a creative experience. Pwedeng gumawa ng mga veggie faces or animal-shaped sandwiches or colorful fruit bowls. When food looks fun, maku-curious silang try ito. Tip number 2, involve them in meal preparations. Mas game sila if they feel involved. Isama mo minsan sa palengke, involve them from picking the ingredients or pag-slice ng mga prutas or pag-assemble sa plato. Kids are likely to eat the food they help prepare. Well, syempre, proud sila of their creations. Tip number 3, no pressure rule. Avoid forcing or pressuring them. Sabi nga, no pressure, no stress. Let them explore different tastes at their own pace. Konti lang muna sa umpisa. Pag walang pilitan, mas malaki ang chance na mag-try sila. Tip number 4, offer options, options, options. Imbes na isa lang ang dish, bigyan sila ng options. Let them choose between maybe 2 to 3 healthy dish. Mas madali silang kumain pag mayroon silang sense of control. Kaya hindi nila nararamdaman na napipilitan sila. Finally, tip number 5, give them supplements for peace of mind. Minsan, nakaka-worry naman talaga na hindi nila nakukuha ang kailangan nilang nutrisyon every day. Pero moms, don't you worry. I gotcha. My supplements like E12 veggies and berries syrup. Siksik, liglig at umaapaw sa bitamina dahil sa laman nito 10 vegetables and 5 berries extracts. Kompleto from vitamins A to zinc. Dahil sigurista moms tayo, we want to make sure na kahit may food preferences, they're still getting what they need.